Welcome back to Mujahid-Official 12. Today in this video I will share you that how to connect VPN in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is benefit of VPN? If some apps, website or software are banned in your region, you can connect VPN and you can use them, the app, software or website. First of all, I live in Pakistan, and if you are a trader or freelancer, so you definitely use Twitter and Telegram. And if you lived here, you definitely know that both are banned in our region. So in this video, I will show you the easy method that how to connect VPN and you can use them both apps. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Welcome back. How to add and connect VPN in Windows 11. First thing first, open setting, press Windows and I on keyboard. Here, click on network and internet, then click on VPN and click on add a VPN connection. On the top, in the VPN provider, keep it Windows built-in, then connection name. You can name it new VPN connection. Under server name or address, first of all open browser and in the search bar type vpnbook.com. Hit enter. Click on free open VPN account. Scroll down a little bit. From here, copy the server name or address. I will copy this one. So you can copy it from here or you can press Ctrl or Command C. Paste it under server name or address. Then VPN type, keep it automatic. Type of sign-in info, keep it username and password, and make sure you checked off remember my sign-in info. Click on save. Once you do it, click on connect. It will ask for username and password. Again, come to website and under copy this username, press Ctrl or Command C and paste it in the username. Then the password, you cannot copy this password, so I will recommend first of all write it down on the paper manually and then come here and then simply type here by looking on the paper. So I will do it the same thing. Then click on OK. And as you can see, my friend, our VPN connection has successfully connected. For example, in my region, Twitter or X and Telegram are banned. And as you can see now, they are very smoothly working off and I can simply use them. Wow.
I hope, my friend, this video helps to you, and if it did, so make sure to give us a like and also consider to subscribe. And not just to subscribe, ring the bell so that you, my friend, don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks or tutorials. So meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.